This or that, baby animals edition. This or that, kittens or puppies. This or that, baby duck or baby chick. This or that, baby hamster or baby guinea pig. This or that, baby panda or baby koala. This or that, baby tiger or baby lion. This or that, baby elephant or baby giraffe. This or that, baby penguin or baby seal. This or that, baby cow or baby goat. This or that, baby deer or baby horse. This or that, baby bunny or baby hedgehog. Like and comment what you picked below. Also, comment what edition I should do next. See you next time.